Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I found some more stuff in the BoxyCharm December Premium Box that I have not seen yet, and I figured I'd show it to y'all. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's 100% free. I promise you I won't charge you a thing. And also turn your bell on, that way you don't miss no more of these spoilers. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was a possible future BoxyCharm spoiler for 2020. Congratulations, Pauline Lane. Pauline says, good evening, Mandy. Well, hi, Pauline. I'm so glad you're here, honey. I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much. And I love you, girl. You yourself would like to get a shout out. Be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to show you the spoilers that we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the 2 new ones that I didn't even know about. And again, this is for the December BoxyCharm Premium Box. First thing is the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. The next thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is a new item, the Natasha Denona Lip Liner Pencil. And also this is another new item. This is the Avant, I think it's Avant, y'all. Y'all know I can't pronounce anything. Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. And then the next thing, we seen this the other day, is the Shop Basic Beauty Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. Last but certainly not least is the Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congrats, Krista Feely. Krista says, wow, I love it. Well, thank you, Krista. I try. You know, I'm one of those ones. I always have to see my spoilers. I have to see what I'm getting. So that's why I put these out for people like me. And I really appreciate the support on my channel, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit the button. Then I need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another spoiler, you won't miss another video of mine. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you want to put a face to the voice, go check them out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.